Breaking news from Haryana. A shocking incident of firing has been reported near Gurugram. Popular singer Rahul Yadav Fazilpuria was targeted by unknown assailants on the southern peripheral road. Fortunately, Fazilpuria escaped unharmed in the incident. The motive behind the attack is still unclear. Fazilpuria is not only a singer but also a familiar face in the YouTube world, known for his association with YouTuber Elvish Yadav. Fazilpuria's connection to Elvish Yadav has been in the news before, particularly in a controversy surrounding the use of snake venom for recreational purposes. This incident has sent shockwaves through the entertainment and political fraternity. Many are left wondering what drove these unknown assailants to target Fazilpuria. Was it a random act of violence or a calculated attack? As the investigation unfolds, more details are emerging. Fazilpuria had contested the Lok Sabha elections from Gurugram as a JJP candidate. Could his political endeavors have played a role in the attack? The authorities are working tirelessly to identify the culprits and their motives. The safety of public figures is a concern that needs immediate attention. The people of Gurugram and fans of Rahul Fazilpuria are eagerly awaiting answers. What measures will the authorities take to ensure the safety of public figures? Will they be able to shed light on the motive behind this attack? The incident has raised several questions, and it's essential that the authorities provide clarity on the matter. As we continue to follow this developing story, one thing is certain: the incident has left a sense of unease in the community. The authorities need to act swiftly to reassure the public and bring the perpetrators to justice. We'll keep you updated as more information comes in. For now, it's clear that this incident demands action and accountability. The clock is ticking and the people are waiting for answers. Will justice be served? We'll be keeping a close eye on the developments and bringing you updates as the story unfolds.
चेक करेंगे ना।